Welcome to Cosmic Discoveries. Today we embark on a thrilling expedition to the very edge of our cosmic understanding. Our destination? The enigmatic realm where the universe's most fundamental forces intertwine, the domain of quantum gravity. Imagine, if you will, the universe in its infancy, an incomprehensibly dense and hot soup of primordial energy. In this extreme environment, the laws of physics as we know them break down, replaced by the bizarre and counterintuitive rules of quantum mechanics and general relativity. Our journey will take us to the heart of black holes, where gravity reigns supreme, and to the earliest moments after the Big Bang, where the fabric of space-time itself was still being woven. Along the way, we'll encounter mind-bending concepts like quantum fluctuations, extra dimensions, and the elusive theory of everything. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow explorers, as we venture into the uncharted territories of quantum gravity and unravel the secrets of the universe's grand design. Quantum gravity aims to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity. Quantum mechanics governs atoms and subatomic particles. It's a world of probabilities and uncertainties. General relativity describes the universe's grandest scales. Gravity is a curvature in space-time caused by mass. These theories seem incompatible in extreme environments. Quantum gravity seeks to reconcile them. It aims to describe the universe at all scales. Now, let's travel back in time to the very beginning of everything, the Big Bang. According to the prevailing cosmological model, the universe began approximately 13.8 billion years ago from an incredibly hot, dense state. In the blink of an eye, it expanded and cooled, with energy converting into matter, giving rise to the first elementary particles. As the universe continued to expand and cool, these particles coalesced into atoms, stars, and eventually the galaxies we observe today. The Big Bang model has been remarkably successful in explaining a wide range of observations, including the cosmic microwave background radiation, the universe's expansion, and the abundance of light elements. However, the Big Bang model is not without its limitations. It cannot tell us what triggered this initial expansion, what existed before the Big Bang, or what happens at the singularity itself, where our current understanding of physics breaks down. This is where quantum gravity takes center stage. By providing a quantum description of gravity, it promises to shed light on these fundamental questions and unlock the secrets of the universe's birth. In the early universe, temperatures and densities were unimaginably high. Quantum effects of gravity cause space-time to fluctuate, bubbling like a boiling pot. These fluctuations could be the seeds of the universe's structure. Regions of higher density evolved into galaxies and clusters. Quantum gravity might explain the universe's homogeneity and isotropy. Wrinkles in space-time, echoes of a turbulent past. As the universe expanded and cooled, these quantum fluctuations would have been stretched out, leaving behind a faint imprint on the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. This radiation, which permeates all of space, provides us with a snapshot of the universe, as it was just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. By studying the subtle temperature variations in the cosmic microwave background, cosmologists can probe the early universe and search for clues about the nature of quantum gravity. These tiny temperature differences, just a few parts in 100,000, are thought to reflect the quantum fluctuations present in the early universe, providing a unique window into the quantum gravitational era. Several experiments, such as the Planck satellite, have already provided incredibly detailed maps of the cosmic microwave background. Analyzing these maps will continue to be crucial in our quest to understand the role of quantum gravity in the early universe. unifying the forces, the quest for a theory of everything. One of the most ambitious goals of modern physics is to find a single unifying framework that can describe all four fundamental forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, the weak nuclear force, and the strong nuclear force. This elusive theory, often referred to as the theory of everything, would represent the pinnacle of our understanding of the universe. Quantum gravity is central to this quest. While the other three forces have been successfully described within the framework of quantum mechanics, in the standard model of particle physics, gravity has stubbornly resisted quantization. Unifying gravity with the other forces is essential for understanding the universe at its most fundamental level, from the behavior of black holes to the origin of the universe itself. Several promising approaches to quantum gravity, such as string theory and loop quantum gravity, offer potential pathways to unification. These theories propose radical new frameworks for understanding the universe, with string theory suggesting that the universe is composed of tiny vibrating strings, while loop quantum gravity posits that space-time itself is quantized, made up of discrete loops. Peering through the fog, the search for evidence. Despite the theoretical elegance and promise of quantum gravity, experimental verification remains a significant challenge. The effects of quantum gravity are expected to be extremely weak at energy scales accessible to current experiments. It's like trying to hear a whisper in the middle of a hurricane. However, scientists are devising ingenious ways to search for subtle signatures of quantum gravity. One approach is to look for deviations from Einstein's general relativity in extreme environments, such as near black holes or in the early universe. Another avenue is to search for new particles or forces predicted by quantum gravity theories. These particles, if they exist, could be produced in high-energy collisions at particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider. While a definitive experimental breakthrough may still be years or even decades away, the pursuit of quantum gravity continues to drive innovation and push the boundaries of our technological capabilities. The Universe Unveiled, a journey into the unknown. The quest to understand quantum gravity is ultimately a journey into the unknown, a journey to the very edge of our cosmic understanding. As we delve deeper into this enigmatic realm, we are likely to encounter even more mind-bending concepts and profound implications for our understanding of the universe. Will we one day have a complete theory of quantum gravity, a theory that unlocks the secrets of the universe's birth, unravels the mysteries of black holes, and unifies all the forces of nature? Only time will tell. What is certain is that the journey itself will be filled with wonder, discovery, and a profound sense of awe at the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through the frontiers of physics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cosmic explorers.